Good morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn Standard 3 EVS subject. In our previous video we have completed our lesson number 14. So today we are going to start with the new chapter, chapter number 15, Fun with Clay. In this chapter there is very interesting story about Kothimbu and crow. Kothimbu is one kind of fruit. You can see this is the Kothimbu, one kind of fruit. The story about it. Let's start with the chapter. Once there was a Kothimbu, one fruit. It was running fence by fence. Fence means type of border which is constructed around the ground, around the field. You can see this type of border. So it was running fence by fence. There come one crow. By seeing it, crow wanted to eat the Kothimbu. So when crow see it, he want to eat it. Crow had opened its beak to eat Kothimbu. It said, "Bapu, you cannot eat me by dirty beak." So Kothimbu says that you cannot eat me by this dirty beak. First find some water and wash it. First go and wash your beak. So, crow went near the well to wash its beak. So, crow want to wash its beak. Crow went near the well. It said to the well, "Well, well, 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 oh well, here comes a crow. Give me water to wash my beak so that I can eat Kothimbu. It's yummy, yummy." So, crow says to the well that, "Give me water so that I can wash my beak and I can eat Kothimbu. It's very delicious." Well said, "If you want water, go to the potter and bring a pot, then fetch water." So here well put a condition that if you want water, go to the potter and bring a pot, then fetch water. Crow flew away to the potter. You can see he is a potter. Potter means who make utensils with clay. So crow flew away to the potter and said, "Potter, potter, oh potter, here comes a crow. Give me a pot to fetch water, to wash my beak, to eat Kothimbu. It's yummy, yummy." So potter said, "Bring some clay so that I can make a pot." So potter wants some clay so that he can make a pot. Pot is made from a clay. So crow went to timba. What is timba? Timba means tiny mountain of soil, heap of soil. So crow went to timba and said, "Timba, timba, oh timba, here comes a crow. Give me clay to give to the potter, to make a pot, to fetch water, to wash my beak, to eat Kothimbu. It's yummy, yummy." So crow said to the timba that, "Give me clay so that I can give it to the potter." So potter make a pot, and with the pot I can fetch water, and from water I can wash my beak and I can eat Kothimbu. So timba said, "Take a horn of a deer. Who said no to you?" You can see here students, this is the horn of a deer. We need some kind of things to dig soil. So timba said, "Take horn of a deer to dig soil." So crow flew away to deer and said, "Dear, dear, oh dear, here comes a crow. Give me a horn to dig soil, to give to the potter, to make a pot, to fetch water, to wash my beak, to eat Kothimbu. It's yummy, yummy." So deer said, "You come to me and take my horn. Go and ask the dog, it will kill me." So deer said that, "Go and ask the dog, it will kill me. After that you can take my horn. So crow went to the dog and said, dog, dog, oh dog, here comes a crow to scare the deer, so I can take its horn and dig soil to give to the potter, to make a pot, to fetch water, to wash my beak, to eat kotimbu. It's yummy, yummy. So crow went to the dog and said, come with me and scare the deer. So dog said, oh bhaiya, I am too hungry. Bring milk of cow so that I can drink it and scare the deer. So dog said, I am too hungry. First bring milk of cow so I can drink it, and after that I scare the deer. So the crow went to the cow and said, cow, cow, oh cow, here comes a crow. Give me milk to give to the dog, to scare the deer, to get horn, to dig soil, to give to the potter, to make a pot, to fetch water, to wash my beak, to eat kotimbu. It's yummy, yummy. So cow said, I am very hungry. Give me grass and feed me. Then take my milk. So cow said that I am very hungry. First give me grass and feed me. After that take my milk. So then crow went to bring grass from field. So this is the field, students. Then crow went to bring grass from field and said, field, field, oh field, here comes a crow. Give me grasses to give to the cow, to fetch milk from it, to drink the dog, to scare the deer, to get horn, to dig soil, to give to the potter, to make a pot, to fetch water, to wash my beak, to eat kotimbu. It's yummy, yummy. So crow went to the field and said, give me the grasses so that I can give it to cow, and cow, then after that cow give me milk. So field said, oh bhai, bring sickle from blacksmith and cut the grass. Sickle means one kind of tool, students, from which we can cut the grass. And blacksmith is a person who makes object or tools from iron or steel. Okay, so crow went to blacksmith and said, blacksmith, blacksmith, oh blacksmith, here comes a crow. Give me sickle to cut grass, to give to the cow, to fetch milk, to drink the dog, to scare the deer, to get horn, to dig soil, to give to the potter, to make a pot, to fetch water, to wash my beak, to eat kotimbu. It's yummy, yummy. So blacksmith said, take this sickle. Blacksmith agreed that take this sickle. So crow took a sickle and went to the field. It took some grass and fed the cow, then took her milk and gave to the dog to drink. Then the dog ran to scare the deer, so it gave a horn. With that horn, the crow dug the soil and gave it to the potter. The potter made a pot, then crow had fetched water and washed its beaks, and finally crow ate kotimbu. Okay students, with this our video is completed. In our next video we are learning about something that we can make many things from clay. Okay students, thank you.